What does it mean to lead by the example, and what are the benefits? Leaders who lead by serving are, by default, leading by example. Leaders who serve demonstrate behavior that serves as an example for their followers to emulate. By serving their followers, leaders demonstrate that they value their team, which inspires trust, respect, and loyalty from their followers. Leaders who serve provide inspiration and motivation for their people to be highly engaged in their work process and in the production of their final or end product. Leaders who serve also provide encouragement to their followers to be more engaged in the organization. One of the benefits experienced in leading by example is that there is a higher level of trust between the leader who serves their followers and their followers. Studies show that when a leader is able to engage with their followers to the extent that a solid relationship of trust is established, it provides a type of environment that is ideal for fostering trust between the leader and the follower. When a leader, through their service, makes clear that they trust their followers in turn are able to develop trust in the leader. This type of mutual trust is beneficial for the entire organization. Another benefit of leading by example is a positive work environment in which collaboration and innovation can occur organically. When a leader, through service, provides the type of guidance that is exemplary, followers have a sense of freedom to perform their best work and engage in collaborative and innovative work. Employees who are able to work in this type of environment experience a boost in both job satisfaction and productivity. A third benefit of leading by example is that employees have increased support and professional development. When a leader who serves is viewed as setting a positive example for the organization, this leader is typically able to see the ways in which even outstanding, highly skilled employees could benefit. By working alongside of followers to achieve organizational goals, leaders can witness firsthand the areas in which employees could benefit from additional support. Thus, the leader is able to chart a course for employees' professional development, training, or coursework. Leading by example is also beneficial for the organization in that it provides sustainable growth and success not only for the organization, but for stakeholders as well. When a leader's exemplary behavior permeates the entire organization, the organization's stakeholders, shareholders, employees, leadership, community, etc., benefit from this mindset and behavior. An organization with this type of leader attracts potential employees and has an environment where current employees want to stay, which inevitably leads to the company's growth and inevitable success. A leader who serves is by definition one who leads by example. This type of leader is the kind that followers want to follow and emulate. Leadership by example boosts the morale of the members in the organization, as well as the reputation and the image of the organization in its community and in the industry. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.